Hi everyone, welcome again to Tech Gurukul. So, in the Linux command series, today we are going to learn how to check memory in a Linux server. Suppose you are logged into a server and you want to check memory informations like how much memory is available, how much memory is free, how much memory is being used. All those kind of things. If you want to use if you want to see, we have many options. Any you can choose any one of these for for seeing the memory information on a Linux box. Okay, so these are the options which are available. So first option is top command. This is one of the best command you can use. So this will display a list, a window where you will get all the information related to memory, CPU, process, PID, and how much memory a process is using. It's a kind of task manager in Windows. Okay, in terminal. So second option is using vmstat. So if you just type vmstat, it will display you the memory and free memory. And if you give interval, like, so it will display the current status of memory, each, like, every 10. Suppose you have given interval as 3 second or 4 second or 5 second, so it will display memory information every 5 seconds, how it's changing. So, and then we have mostly which we used is like a free command. So using free command, we can see the available memory, used memory, cached memory, buffered memory. So it has many other parameters like free hyphen m, that will give the free memory in megabytes. Then we have free hyphen giga, so that will give the free memory, basically the memory information in GBs. So likewise, you can play with different options. You can just type free hyphen health, so you will get all the information about it. And the last but not the least, you will get all the information about the memory assigned to a system using this proc, like slash proc slash meminfo file. You just have to cat that file, and you will get the information about all the memory available or being used on a system. So these were the four options which you can use for getting information about memory. Okay, so sometimes some issue happens and you see that a system is being like overloaded or something, and you want to just see like how much memory is available or what it being used. So you can use these various command to get the troubleshoot issues related to memory or so. Okay, so this was the theory part. So we'll get into the practical part, and we'll see how this runs in terminal in live mode. So thanks for watching the Tech Gurukul. Please like, subscribe, support our channel, press bell icon so that you will be keep up, like you will be kept updated if I upload anything new. And also do share with your friends. Please comment if you like something. If you don't like something, please do comment on this. Thank you for watching. Let's go to the like live session where we'll run the command on terminal and we'll see how it works. Thank you very much. So the theory part was completed, and let's see now how we can see the memory information on Linux with different commands. So let's try the top command first. Okay, so this is just a top command. Okay, so look, so this is just like a Windows Task Manager. So you can see, so look, so this is the memory, like 19.77 megabyte is there, out of which total is this one. Total is this one, out of which 11 GB. Basically, this is 2 GB memory allocated. It's in MB, and this is like around 1.1 GB is free, and 195 MB is being used. So basically, this is the command using which you can check the memory information, and also like it shows how much memory is being used by different process, like different how much memory and how much percentage of CPU being used by different processes. So we'll have a separate session for this command, and we'll see like what are the different options which we can use with the top command. Okay. So okay, so one is this option to get the information about memory, and it basically gives memory, CPU, swap memory. So about the task, running, sleeping, everything it gives. Okay, so we'll have a separate session for this top command. Let's see the other options. So one is top. Second option we saw is VM stat. Okay, so let's see VM stat. Okay, so this is giving look. So swap how much free is the same, you can see, remember, right? 1.1. So this is in byte actually. So this is cached memory, this is buffered memory, this much is free. Okay, so this basically gives you that, and if you pass interval like 2 seconds, suppose this is 2 seconds, so it will give you the memory information every 2 seconds if it changes. So suppose I'm running a script, and this is using memory. So look, it will change accordingly. It should change. The free memory should change if it is like if it is using. So once you run a process or something, this should change. Okay. Okay, so this option, let's stop this one. Okay, and, just don't get confused with this. Okay. So okay, so using this you can see the memory information. So there are different switches you can uh, get it. So we'll have like complete session of each command, which all the required or important parameters. So vm stat st hyphen help, if you can type, so you'll have this many options you can play with this. So second option we have tested. First we have tested as top command, then vm stat, and let's wait, sorry, yeah, clear. And now we'll get the memory information using free command. Okay, so if you just give free, it will give you this. Okay, memory total available, used, free, how much is shared memory, how much is cached, and how much is available basically. So this gives in byte actually. So if you want in megabyte, you can give it MB. This is like around 2000 MB, around 2 GB. So this also has different options. Okay, different options. You can play with it. FRE, suppose you want in gigabyte, so this will give you in gigabyte like 2 GB memory used, zero free, 1 GB is free, around 1 GB is free. Okay, so this is basically 195 MB. So this just giving zero is rounding it off. Okay, so this you can get using free command. So so we have used three commands now. One is top, another vmstat, and third one is free. Let's see the memory information using cat like the meminfo file. Okay, cat proc proc meminfo. Okay, so look, so this you will get. Okay, memory total, the same thing we get. Memory free this much, memory available this much, buffer cache. So all, there are a lot of things we can go through it. Okay, so it's all related to memory. It's all related to memory. Okay, and the all the information about the memory and files which are being used. Okay, so these are basically four options using which it's sufficient for getting information about memory or troubleshooting any process related to memory. Uh, related to memory. Okay, so these four commands are more than enough. You can use this to troubleshoot or get information about the memory in a system available. So thank you for watching. Let's connect in another video. Please do like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment if you find it good or bad. So please do that. Thanks. Please help and help sharing it and support it so that I can bring more videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks very much.